So this Delta Airlines, yesterday in my analysis, if you remember, I said we're going to wait for the pullback. And voila, in one day the stock lost almost 7.57%. See the pullback? At this point, those of you who want to join, you want to join. You can buy here, your stop is here, and you're waiting for the level that it was before the pandemic, which eventually is going to go to this level, $60 level. It will take some time as people become more comfortable trying to fly and use the airline. So eventually it's going to come here. So those of you who want to accumulate, it's an opportunity to buy. I am thinking it's going to come retest this level again before resuming. So you can accumulate at this level, and hold it for longer term, probably a year plus, until it reaches this resistance level, which it will reach in a couple of months, probably early next year. But at this point, I'm expecting more pullbacks and before it resumes this journey. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.